Hello, hello, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout play along with my Mercy Tiara Kit's Summer Vibes kit. It is gorgeous. So I have the kit. I have the paper add-on, the pattern paper add-on. I've got the cardstock kit and the embellishment add-on. So long and short of it is I have all of the things. Now the very first paper that caught my eye was this Simple Stories Retro Summer paper. It is, guys, have you ever seen so much paper? It is fab. And it made me think of a photo I have of, gosh, what would this be, 1974? That would be retro summer. So this is me, little tiny kid in a cabin. And we used to go up to a cabin that had no running water. It had a pump out front, kerosene lighting, and the whole thing. It was so cool and so historic, and that's what it is. And like tin roof, like absolutely awesome in Michigan. So I thought that would be cool. Now, I just have to decide, oh, that's kind of cool. You know, how I want this photo. I kind of like it as is, but I want to cut out all the stripes. Why do I want to? I don't know. I just do. So I have to decide what paper it gets to go on top of. Might be kind of cool going on top of this aqua paper. That might be cool. I'm not quite sure. I'm either going to do that or go like pretty like basic with it and put it on top of white so I can bring some white through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out all of the stripes, right? And stick it onto a paper, but I want to scuff them all up too. I'm just going to grab some scissors to scuff them up. Phew, I'm overly excited. And I'll meet you right back here. Okie dokie. So I did decide to go with white because I wanted all of these colors to be able to pop so nicely. And everything's popped up on a bit of foam. And, you know, all of these sun rays are popped kind of right back where they were, you know, to the best of my ability. I didn't work on it too far. And then I went ahead and triple matted my photo. I've got the white cardstock that's in the kit, the other piece of white, and then these two adorable pieces. Let me see what they're called. I used Summer Break, and then I used Ice Cream You Scream, which I know it has sprinkles and it kind of looks, you know, very ice cream-ish, but it works perfect to, you know, play off of all of the brown in this photo. Then what I thought I'd do is also use the yellow part of the sun right here, this bright yellow, as the next part of the mat. It made sense to me. Okay, so I've got this word summer, and I was thinking that it would be fab right next to my photo. So if I have it here, I do rather like the idea, unless I put some things here. I don't want it hanging off. So maybe my whole idea that I shared with you about wanting the yellow to be like the big thing is not gonna work. So let me go ahead and make sure that this is fairly straight. Does not have to be perfect, just has to be kind of. And then the same thing for my word summer. I'd like it to at least have these parts of the layout kind of lined up in a pretty way. So, what you know, like, why do I care this much? I don't know. But I think right about there makes me happier. I just wanted a little bit more space right there. Boop. So, clearly, the title will be Summer. So what I want to do now is take a little bit of time. Let me make sure on here. I thought there was a little pink heart. I want to take a little bit of time. I'm going to leave this here because that sun right there and this heart are calling me a little bit. And I want to stare at all of these goodies and yeah, totally plan out my next step. So give me a second. I found some pieces that are going to be fabulous. I love this movie sign, and I'll pop up the word retro for this word that spells out fun. I just grabbed some of I have clear epoxy like little stickers when I want to make my own flare. So I just went ahead and put them on there. Now my epoxy is smaller than the circle. It's totally fine. I like the idea just of a little bit of shine. So I'm going to try maybe to have fun summer memories on one of these pieces, and I'm going to bring in my Pink Fresh Studio little stickers for that, and then I'm going to keep going. But I thought I'd show you that it's starting to come together. I mean, as things go, I love the layout already, and I would be happy with it as is, but you know I love to use all of the things. Because I am having so much fun telling this story. So I have fun summer memories, and I'm going to have off the grid, because I mean, you can't get more off the grid than a place without electricity, running water, etc. So I was thinking that is going to be like the perfect like end of my title work. How fab is that? I might have to pop this up on a double row of dimension because I have all of the things going on. Because I like, you know, I just like all the stuff. I do. I love this little Polaroid. I remember Polaroids when I was a kid. It was such a big deal to watch the photo come to, you know, keeping in mind this is all pre-digital and all that kind of stuff. So it's the little things. So do I want to do, no, I don't want to have it right there. I like this slightly something something. And then I've got this gorgeous little Polaroid bit here. Now, these are about equal in their pop-up. I'm wondering, yeah, I might pop it, not pop it up. I might slightly tuck it. I was liking this whole like cute Polaroid idea, and it's bringing the design down the page. I did see this summer songs piece, and that mixtape has me just dying. Now, at this exact point in time, I think my mother's boyfriend had a cool 8-track in his truck. Like such big stuff, right? And I'm going to go ahead and pop this stuff up right here. This is like a little bit of a, like a light strand, which doesn't necessarily make sense for this place because we didn't have such things. We had a very cool kerosene lamp, which I thought was so cool and old-fashioned back then. I mean, it was original to the cabin, but how cool to have that kind of an experience. I was very fortunate. Let's see. So I have this coming right here. I wanted it coming across a little bit, and then I have this adorable little pinwheel that I want to pop up as well, because that reminds me of childhood with a cute little pinwheel, and how nice that we get to have them in our crafting. So I can go like this and pop, ooh, I rather like that. Okay, now, do we like the placement of this? Or do we want to bring it in more like this? I do like that those are going down like that, so I don't think I want to muck that up too much. Do I want this, or do I like the clean line? I don't know. You know what? I think I'm feeling that just a little bit, and I'm going to have it go to the words off the grid and memories because it's touching both of them pretty nicely. Okay. So we have that. I just want to hide a tiny bit of the adhesive. It's poking out a little bit. You guys probably wouldn't even be able to see it, but I see it. What you gonna do? Okay, I have that. Now, I do like this little heart piece right here. I can have that, you know, continuing this kind of coming down the way. And then what else did I say that I kept looking at? It's not this one. Oh, it was the sun. I don't know now that I have all of this going on. Oh, well, except for I just found the place that I want it to go. It's going to go right there. And now my retro piece that I have here, I want to put it on an additional piece of foam because now I want it higher than my foam piece. Okay, I'm not going to have a lot more to do. I think I'm going to pop on just a couple of these sparkly bits that are part of this. I don't know. What does she call it? What does Tracy call it? This sparkle mix. They're not sequins, but they are definitely like this fab little shimmer mix she has in here. All right, I like this whole retro word going there. So we have this deal going on. We've got this thing going on. I'm thinking of just a couple of, oh, there's another heart. Just a couple little sparkles, and we're gonna wrap this right up. All right, my friends, that is this layout finished. I had so much fun playing with this. And guys, even though it was the first layout of a new kit, you know, you have to get used to it, and you know, flip the papers over and over and over, or maybe I do. But it was fun. And, you know, I kind of tried to start narrowing down, like, I really want to use this paper right now. So let me just look at this and then build around it. And it totally made me think of this old school picture I have. And it's fun. And it's clearly retro summer. So totally worked. I will have links down below for you guys for the Mercy Tiara Kit Club and the Facebook group. And so, you know, you can get your hands on the kit and play along, all that kind of stuff. There is a sketch challenge, which is going to be the next layout I do. Is there anything else? Anything else? No, I don't think so. Okay, guys, I'm going to have still shots to follow, and I'm going to see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now.